It's music time with Mr. P. We went to New York City, what did we see? A bunch of funny chickens dancing like me. Flap your wings and wiggle your knees. Come on everybody, do as you please. Cluck, cluck, flap your wings. Shake your tail and do your thing. Hop to top and spin around. Chicken dances all around. Walk, walk. Down in London by Big Ben's chimes. Chickens dancing all in time. Peck the ground and stomp your feet. Everybody dancing in the street. Cluck, cluck, flap your wings. Shake your tail and do your thing. Hop to top and spin around. The chicken dances all around. In Tokyo, way out west, chicken dancers do it best. Every town from here to Rome, the chicken dance will bring us home. Now we're in Sydney by the sea. Chicken dancing wild and free. Jump up high and give a cheer. The chicken dance is finally here. Out in Rio, the drums go boom. Chickens shaking tail feathers to the tune. Sun is shining, the crowd's in line. Flap your wings, it's dancing time. Up in Paris near the tower tall, French chickens dance, one and all. Twirl around, don't miss a beat. Cluck and laugh and move your feet. Now we're home, the party's done, but dancing chickens still have fun. One more time, let's make it loud. Flap your wings and wow the crowd. Clap your hands, clap, clap, flap your wings, flap, flap.